In this lecture, we're going to show how to create a derived sketch. So first, let's create a normal sketch. Let's go on the front plane. Let's choose a line. Let's create something like this. And let's click OK. Now let's exit sketch. And now let's create a new plane. Let's go to Features, Reference Geometry Plane. As a reference, let's choose front plane. Let's go with a distance. Let's go 100 millimeters, like this. Let's click OK. And now, for example, we want to create the same sketch on the plane 1. And for that, we can use option Derived Sketch. And before we use that option, we have to select this plane in which we want to create this sketch, hold Ctrl, and select this sketch which you want to create on this plane 1. Now let's go to Insert. And down here we have a derived sketch. Now let's just click derived sketch, and here we can see our sketch on the plane 1. Now let's exit this sketch. Now here on the feature manager design tree, we can see we have sketch 1, and here we have sketch 2 derived. So we know this is derived sketch. So why is it important to know this is derived sketch? Because if we change something in the sketch 1, automatically those changes will be applied to the sketch 2 derived. So let's try this. Let's go to sketch 1, edit sketch. Now, for example, let's move this point, something like this. Let's click OK. Now let's exit sketch. And we see that those changes are automatically applied to the sketch 2 derived. So this is how you can create a derived sketch. Now let's create another plane. Let's go to Features, Reference Geometry Plane. Let's choose as a reference plane 1. Let's go with 100 millimeters distance. Let's click OK. Now let's create the second derived sketch of this sketch here. And now let's repeat the procedure. So select plane 2, hold Ctrl and sketch 1, but here on the feature manager design tree, not here. You have to select here. So let's select here, sketch 1. Let's go to Insert and derived sketch, like this. Let's exit sketch. And now we have two derived sketch, sketch 2 and sketch 4. Maybe you have sketch 3. Now let's go to sketch 1 again. Let's change some dimensions. For example, like this. Let's click OK. Let's exit sketch. And those changes are applied here to sketch 2 and sketch 4. So this is how you can use a tool derived sketch.